Hey everyone, welcome back to Zakaria Robotics channel. Your hub for futuristic robotics and innovative technology. Today we're taking a closer look at something truly game changing. A solar powered drone designed specifically for monitoring remote areas. Imagine being able to track wildlife in dense forests, survive faraway deserts, or monitor inaccessible terrain without ever worrying about running out of battery. That's exactly what these solar powered drones does. And I'm going to show you how it works, why it's important, and what it can do. Traditional drones are amazing, but they have one major limitation: battery life. Most drones can only fly for 20 to 40 minutes before needing to land and recharge. For people working in remote areas like wildlife researchers, environmental scientists, and rescue teams, this is a huge problem. Imagine trying to monitor a forest after a wildfire or tracking wildlife across hundreds of kilometers. Stopping every 30 minutes to recharge simply isn't practical. That's where solar powered drones come in, tuning sunlight into unlimited flight potential. This drone is lightweight, durable, and highly efficient. Here is what makes it special. Solar panels, integrated high efficiency panels, cover the wings and body, capturing sunlight even during flight. Energy storage, advanced lithium batteries store energy for cloudy days or night operations. Flight system, smart autopilot software ensures smooth long distance navigation. Sensors and cameras, equipped with high resolution cameras, infrared sensors, and GPS mapping tools for real time monitoring. All these components work together to make a drone that can fly for hours even in challenging environments while collecting valuable data. So, how does it actually work? Let's break it down. Solar charging. The panels convert sunlight into electricity, which powers the drone directly or charge the battery. Energy management. Intelligent software decides how to distribute energy between flight sensors and communication. Autonomous flight. The drone can follow programmed routes, avoid obstacles, and adjust its altitude depending on terrain and weather conditions. Data collection. While flying, it continuously records video, thermal images, and environmental data, sending it back to base in real time. Even if the sun isn't shining directly, the battery ensures that the drone keeps flying safely until it can recharge. This drone has a wide range of real world applications: environmental monitoring, track deforestation, water quality, and climate change impacts. Wildlife research, monitor animal populations without disturbing their natural habitat. Disaster management, access damage after floods, hurricanes, or forest fires to coordinate rescue operations. Remote area research scientists can collect data in deserts, mountains, or inaccessible regions without sending teams on risky trips. Think about it: a drone that never needs to stop for hours is a revolutionary tool for anyone working in the field. Of course, designing a solar powered drone isn't easy. There are challenges. Weather dependency. Solar panels need sunlight, so cloudy days reduce efficiency. Weight versus energy. Adding panels increases weight, which affects flight time. Data and storage transmission. Collecting large amounts of data requires smart on board systems, but engineers solved these problems by combining lightweight materials, high efficiency panels, and intelligent energy management system. The result is a drone that's both resilient and efficient. The future of solar powered drones is huge. We can imagine fully autonomous environmental monitoring networks, long term wildlife tracking without human intervention, emergency relief drones that deliver aid to disaster zones while continuously powered by the sun. This technology is just the beginning of combining sustainability and robotics to solve real world problems. With solar power, drones can operate longer, safer, and sustainably. This solar powered monitoring drone shows how renewable energy and robotics can work together to make remote data collection smarter, greener, and more efficient. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more robotics and innovative tech projects, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I will see you in the next adventure at Zakaria Robotics channel. Stay curious, stay innovative.